Hi, I'm Andrew Potocnik. Welcome to the 1 Minute Woodturner. Once you've finished your spindle work, the end parts need to be cut away or parted off. So what you need to do is, using a parting tool, you simply cut down a stub or a tenon until you get down to about 15 millimeters in diameter. Another tool you can use is a beading tool, or it's basically a wide parting tool. You can use that in the same way. The idea is that you have it above center and you lay it onto the wood and you use it as a peeling cut and gradually work the diameter down. Then, if you want to, you can also clean up the end so you don't have as much cleaning up to do afterwards. You can roll the parting tool onto its side, the beading tool in this case, and just use it as a skew and cut down the fibers to the center. Or you can use a proper skew and you use the long point and cut down from the edge all the way down to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, sometimes it's a good idea to cut a little V groove so you've got a little bit of definition, and that's it. There's your parting. If you want more information, click on the links below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.